In this video, we will see what is a cross join in SQL. Cross join we will be using when we have to join every record of a table with other table. So that I have created two tables here. One is a meal table and a drinks table. And the DDL command I will provide in the description. So let me query the two tables which are meals and drinks, and let us see the schema, and then we will see what is a cross join using these two tables. Now I am getting one error because I have given the database name as master, but currently the meals and drinks are present in another database which I have created, that is question. So make sure that you provide the correct database when you query the table. Now let me run the query. We will get the two tables. So we have two tables which is meals and the other one is drinks. So meals has three rows which are omelette, fried eggs and sausage, and drinks have another three rows which are orange juice, tea and coffee, and both the tables are having single columns. So what we have to find here is we have to find all the meal and drink combination that is available in a particular store. So in order to find that, what we have to do is we have to combine the two tables in such a way that every row of the meal table should join with every row of the drinks table. So let us see how we can do that. We will be using a cross join to satisfy our requirement. So we will start with select clause. Before that, let us give a comment. So we are going to do cross join. So select star from the table name is meals. Then I am giving the cross join syntax, cross join. The second table name is drinks. Now let us run the query and see our result. Now we can see that we have got all the combinations of meals and drinks that are available in the particular store. Now let us query the separate meals table, drinks table, and the cross join table as well, and let us see and compare the result. So we can see we have a meals table and drinks table. Now we have a combined meals and drinks table, that is we have cross joined the two tables. Now we can see that the result has 9 rows, which is the multiple of number of rows present in the meal and drinks table. That is meals table is having 3 rows, drinks table is having 3 rows. So 3 into 3, 9. So we will have 9 records in the cross joined table. So this is the Cartesian product of two tables. There is one more method we can do cross join in SQL. The second method is, the syntax is slightly different. Select star from. Instead of using the cross join term, we will use a simple comma, that is meals. After the first table name, we will put a comma and put the second table name. Now simply query and we will get the same result with 9 rows. And if we have to combine the two tables, that is we have to concatenate the two table, we have to concatenate the two rows, and we have to show the result in a single row. How we can do that is, instead of this star, we will use a concat function, and the first column name is meal name, and after that we will put a hyphen, and following that we will put the second column name, which is drink name, as I am putting a simple name called menu items. Now let me run the query. Now we can see that we got the combination of items present in the store. Thank you.